Goodbye. No use leading without chance. This is where our story ends. Never lovers, ever friends. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye.
You told me that I was crazy till I pulled up on your man and you look like the devil when you waved at me. Bitch, I got something to say to you.
Goodbye. Bye. Goodbye.
Yeah, I cracked my windshield. Lucky that I didn't crack you. Bitch, you're a black hole. Sucking me in your vacuum. Yeah, I cracked my windshield. Lucky that I didn't crack you. And I'm feeling drunk in this hotel room, trying to ask you about all of your past dues. Why they stay so present? Cause bitch, if I'm the future, then why they in your presence? And if I'm the king and you're the queen, then why you acting like a peasant? Why you acting like a peasant? I thought you were gonna tell all of your exes. Let me start with Paul. Have fun on your farm. Why you counting your chickens and your ghosts? Why you getting dogged? Cause you think you love power. Cause you winning from power. But you just need him. By pussy power. Cause you never really got it. So when she threw it, yeah, you caught it. And I knew it, but I bought it. And Paul's just your puppy. Better keep him on your leash. Cause the second that he finally gets some more pussy, he's gonna leave.
Bitch, I got something to say to you.
Goodbye.
No, you fucked this up.
Bye.
And I'ma call you from the Grammys too.
Goodbye.